Hey, thanks, Chris. Yes, before we go to the lucky draw, the guys still waiting for it. I have some closing speech. Pardon me. Quick one, I promise it's quick one. So first and foremost, thank you so much for coming this year to FSM Invest Expo. How is this year experience? Good? Awesome? Right? I hope you guys enjoy the fantastic insights from presenters from all the fund houses as well as our research team. So last year the Zodiac was snake, right? So the market was also like playing snake and ladder. So full of dramas and crazy volatility. So we also saw a lot of panic sellings during last year, April Liberations Day. But the market rebounded back fast and furious. So I also believe that most people here wouldn't expect gold and silver to rally by so much, right? So to celebrate the precious metal success, we are giving away a 3-gram physical gold bar later on. 3 gram, not 3 kg. 3 kg too expensive already. Wait, my next slide. So for those who are not aware, FSMOne is the B2C divisions of iFAST and SGX listed fintech company with the ticker code AIY. So last year we celebrate our 25th year anniversary. So thank you to all our clients, our investors for your support and trust for the past 25 years. So FSMOne is one of the key contributors to the group overall AUA. So with the group recording a 30.6 billion in AUA as of 30 September 2025. So with a wide range of investment products and competitive fees, FSMOne is the perfect platform to help you achieve your investments goal. So last year was an incredible year for us. We are pleased to receive 4 awards from the 𝐓𝐡𝐞 Singapore Billion Dollar Club. iFAST was named the overall sector winners in the technology sectors, along with awards for the highest return to shareholders, highest growth in profit after tax, and highest weighted ROE. So even with these achievements, we continue to stay humble and grounded. We will keep enhancing our products, services, features, and to serve your best interests. So from here you can see there's many colorful balls, each representing a product or key tools available on our platform. So all the way from cash account, to funds, to stocks and ETF, and all the way to managed portfolio. So for most retail investors here, you can pretty much handle all your investment and wealth management needs using one platform. And the name is FSMOne. So there's a saying, many roads leads to Rome. Similarly, when it comes to investing, there are many ways to invest. But there's only one place for you to do it all, and that's FSM. So in Singapore, there are more than 20 retail investment brokers out there. So I'll be completely honest, we are not the cheapest if you're just comparing solely on pricing. But why do investors like you and me continue to like and use FSMOne? So we are one of the leading platforms in Singapore, offering a wide range of unit trusts. We have more than 2,500 funds on our platform, including many of the fund houses with us today. And our research team actually publishes the recommended fund booklets annually. This is like our own versions of the Michelin Guide, but for unit trusts. So on top of that, we are actually the best platform for SGX investing. You can trade using cash, SRS, CPF, CTP Link, sell, and only pay a flat fee of just $8.80 per trade, regardless of your investment's amount. So we are also the only platforms offering 0% processing fees for ETF RSP, as well as low flat fees for buying and selling on the SGX, US, and the Hong Kong exchange. Besides this, there's other nice solutions like our 𝐓𝐡𝐞 account and also Bond Supermart Life. So besides products, another very key factors for any organizations is always the people. So our people are energetic bunch, motivated, passionate, and aligned with the company's visions to help investors invest globally and profitably. Our research team publishes high-quality research articles and recommended ideas, while investment advisory team are non-commission based. So there is no conflict of interest when they give you investment advice or opinion. So unlike other platforms that heavily focus on investors churning out transactions by buying and selling, we are here to build long-term relationship with you by helping you to meet your financial goals, be it short terms like weddings, housings, or retirements, or even legacy planning. So we are also one of the few investment platforms out there that give you reward points by simply doing tasks such as performing transactions on us, maintaining your holdings with FSMOne. So you may ask, hey, the reward points can do what? You actually can redeem your reward points for bonus units from the various fund houses or lifestyle vouchers such as Grab, Cold Storage, or if you wish to give back to the community, you can actually donate to the likes of Community Chairs or Shine. So another easy way to earn reward points is simply download our FSM mobile app. If you haven't done so, please download. So I encourage you all to download ASAP. So when you log into the FSM app, right, on the top right, you will see this word task. So click on it and you're able to earn a rewards points daily. And on top of that, we actually give you a fun fact of the day. And on day 7 itself, you get to participate in a fun trivial quiz. If you answer the questions correctly, you receive bonus points. So this is another popular features that only FSMOne has, is the FSM beneficiary account. So if you're looking for a place to invest for your loved one, be it your spouse or your kids, this is the place to be. So in fact, we have a lot of parents out there that actually open beneficiary accounts for their children. So during my era, right, my parents would buy endowment plans, but now you can actually use this account to do regular saving plans for your kids, be it for education or for other purpose. So what this FSM beneficiary account is, it gives you the main account holder rights with all the login access, and you're also the key person to operate this account as well as the legal ownership of the assets. Then from there, you can actually operate the account as per normal. You can do like cash deposits, investments, or withdrawal. But you have the flexibility to transfer the investment holdings to your beneficiary anytime by simply filling out a form. Additionally, in the event, touch wood, any of the parties pass away, the assets will go to the surviving person. So in recent months, we also roll out some of the nice features that we have. One of these is actually the enhancements to our search bar features. So for now, you can actually type in any company's or ticker code. It will display which UT or ETF that hold positions in that company. So recently, I'm interested in Alibaba. So I went to key in the search bar, and it actually shows you which UT or ETF that hold positions in it. So for this screenshot, you can see that iFAST, Nova China equities hold about 13% in Alibaba. So this is very good, especially if you're interested in particular companies, but you also want a diversified exposure via the unit trust or ETF. Another key initiative that we have is actually we launched the FX Auto Convert features. We know that US has depreciated quite a bit, right, against the Sing dollars. So instead of you monitoring the rate daily to see, hey, when the US is going up, then I convert to Sing dollars, you can make use of these FX Auto Convert features. So simply enter your desired exchange rate, and we will automatically convert for you once the rate is reached. So this order will remain valid for 30 days. And on the right-hand side, you can see that for those who have traded recently, you notice that we have actually improved the user interface for our stocks order pad. It now features a larger display, clearer visuals for the payment method, whether is it CPF, SRS, or various currencies cash account, and overall a slicker, more organized, and clutter-free design, which is why it helps you to make your trading experience much more intuitive and effortless. Okay, so we talked about the past initiative that we've done over the past few months, but what's more exciting is what's coming up. So this is our new features coming soon by end January. We'll be launching this. So previously, you only can use the likes of SRS, CPF money to invest into SGX denominated stocks. But end January, you can actually invest into the non-SGD one, like the screen showing all the USD tickers using your CPF or SRS. This applies for SGX only. Okay, another key features coming out soon, and one of the highly requested features among investors, starting end of January, if you currently hold a DBS multi-currencies account, I think most of you guys here will actually have DBS account, you can transfer your non-SGD funds, be it like USD, Hong Kong dollar, CNH, AUD, to FSM for free. So you no longer have to incur the irritating telegraphy fee transfers. Okay, besides all this, we hope you can actually follow us on social media. We are actually on all the major social medias, be it on Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and YouTube. In particular, I really like our Telegram, where every morning we'll share the performance of the major indices from the previous night, as well as the top 3 headline news you should know as investors. And also, don't miss out our FSM Invest Expo post-event promo, up to $100 cashback and free ETF trades on selected UTs and ETF. So head over to our FSM website or mobile app to find out for more details. Okay, coming to an end already. So a big thank you to all the participating fund house this year. Without your support today event simply wouldn't be so exciting, so enriching for all our investors out here. And a huge shout out to the entire FSM team, especially our amazing marketing team, for putting off today's event. Even though it's just a one-day event, they put in many months of hard work for brainstorming, preparing, coordinating, and packing with so many parties to make all this happen. And to all you guys, wonderful investors, thank you once again for coming down and gracing us with your presence. I'm very happy with today's turnout. Instead, I think this is actually a record turnout year for us. Very fantastic to see all you guys. Hope to catch you all at our next physical event or one of our webinars soon. With that, thank you and have a blessed year ahead.